Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Planet Coaster 2 controllers is not working. So first open up the Steam, click on the Planet Coaster 2 game, click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now once you open up the properties of your Planet Coaster 2, just click on the controllers option you are seeing on the left hand side. Now once you click on the controllers, here you see the option of override. Just select here the disable Steam input. Now once you select the disable Steam input, now launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just go to your game properties again, then just go to the controllers again. Now just select here the enable Steam input. Once you select it, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is still not fixed, then just choose it, the use default setting, then launch the game, then check. And now try all of these, and in most of the cases the disable Steam input works. So just try the disable Steam input, and I hope this worked for you and fixes your problem. And if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.